Let's try to answer this. He blank for hours before the power finally came back. Waits, waited, is waiting, had been waiting. So una muna, for context, meron na tayo ditong past action. So ibig sabihin, past na to. Now sabi, before that past action, ito yung hinahanap natin na action. At nangyayari yung action na to for hours. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang siya simpleng naganap, ongoing siya during that time. In progress siya, given this specific duration. So again, meron tayong earlier action na in progress before this other past action. And again, kapag meron tayong long action in the past or ongoing in progress action in the past until a specific point in the past, which is this second action, ang gagamitan natin na tense ay past perfect progressive. Perfect progressive. At ang formula ng past perfect progressive ay had plus been plus verb in ing. And sa options natin dito, letter D ang tamang sagot. He had been waiting for hours before the power finally came back.